Mabuhay, mabuting tao, buhay. Welcome to my vlog. Vloggers, it should be I'm attending now the RDR, Presidential Del Rio Subdivision Seniors Meeting here in the clubhouse. Let me share you glimpses or the moments now.
Whereas, upon motion of Mr. Alfonso A. Salanga, duly seconded by Ms. Lorna Garcia, a monthly allowance for President Emilio Cosaco has been voted upon for 1,015 votes for 1,506 votes. So, appeal na kumani sa 6 votes. So, for 2,000, majority of DOD and members in attendance at the meeting. So, now therefore, for an consideration for above premises, resolved that this is hereby resolved that the monthly allowance in the amount of 2,000 pesos be granted to Ms. Cosaco, an incumbent chapter 8 president, subject to the ability of funds. So resolved further that said allowance be taken from monthly dues and shall not be subject to liquidation, considering that estimated annual and necessary expenses for normal operations of the chapter president exceeds the amount therein stated as allowance for transportation, supplies and materials, photocopying, forward expenses and other contributions. So resolved furthermore that this allowance be granted effective August 24 and shall remain in force through the incumbency of Ms. Cosaco as chapter president. Kumurang pang kuhani ba?
Bukan na si Nene
I'm your vlogger, retired teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Live and alive, I'm here in Residencia Del Rio Clubhouse. We are holding now the seniors meeting of RDR. Every second Sunday of the month is the schedule of meeting here, and it's my first time. So just sharing you my new life, my new beginning, my new hope, and my new chosen life here in Davao, the land of promise, the land of the Dorian, and the land of eagles, and of course, life is here. So the meeting is going on this clubhouse of the subdivision. So there is the discussion for this moment. Let's try to go back to the session hall or to the clubhouse. Outside of this clubhouse, this is the view, the former swimming pool, but it's not functioning anymore. So this is your blogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, live and alive, Residencia Del Rio Clubhouse, Davao. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my YouTube Mabuhay channel, my Facebook account, including my Reels, and my YouTube Mabuhay channel. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay, good person, good life, good person. Thank you everyone, my kamabuhay, my kamabuhayers, my viewers, my Facebook friends, of course my followers, and everyone for following me now and then. Thank you everyone. I am a teacher blogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, live and alive, Davao City, RDR Residencia Del Rio. Until my next vlog.